pwede ba magbayad after ng filing date? Example, nag-file ako ng February 10, pero sa March 15 ko pa mababayaran. The answer is yes, pwede po tayong magbayad after ng filing date. So for annual ITR year 2024, start of filing January 1 at ang deadline ng filing at payment April 15, 2025. Ang importante po, mabayaran natin ang tax payable natin on or before the deadline, April 15, 2025. Pag lumagpas po tayo doon, may penalty na po yun. My name is George. I'm a freelancer's tax advisor at J Consulting. What we do is we are empowering online freelancers through simple and stress-free tax compliance. Reminder lang po, mag-process tayo ng tax payment natin pag na-receive na natin ang BIR email confirmation or yung tax return receipt confirmation. If you are a freelancer at meron kang concern or question regarding freelancers BIR registration and freelancers tax compliance, comment mo lang yan at sasagutin ko yan.